This is the elevator at the Schuster Theater at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis Series 1. From the 90s sometime. Up to 2. Interior door. Squeaky outside door. Exterior, not the elevator door. Here are 2 already. I think 1 isn't too far up. This side has the high pitch on, the other side has the low pitch on. That looks like a costume dressing studio. Back on the lobby. For once I can't get these hardware for $20 open. It's a basic figure ring cabinet, blue teal tile floor, here back to the lobby. Hope it doesn't travel too much for distance. There we go. I found a ThyssenKrupp help link. It's a pretty nice lobby. It's kind of a dated old lobby though. I think it was added when they added the elevator. Here goes the nuts, gonna be it.